So before I teach you how to establish your savings asset and become your own banker, establish that tax-free asset, before we get into that, let me give you some fundamentals so that you have a clear vision, clear head, you know exactly what you need to do before taking the next steps, okay? So in this part of the video, on the timeline, we are now looking into year 3, okay? So for the rest of year 2, that's 16 to 24 months, right? We're just simply stacking cash, saving money, building our credit, right? Avoiding debt, avoiding unnecessary, expenses and things like that. Managing our money right, getting our mind in order, okay? Now, we're going to be looking at from month 25 to 36, okay? For year 3. I want you to stay on track with me. If you did what I said, you increased your income, so now you should be making this much at the least. You should be making me that much a month. Your next goal is to increase your income again by at least $1 an hour, okay? And this is off a 30-hour work week. You're still able to go to school, you're still able to do your thing. 30 hours a week, making an extra dollar on top of what would this come out to, okay? Expenses, still maintain it. Don't increase it. Maintain that 50% lifestyle or a little bit higher. Don't breach 75%, okay? Cash flow should have gone up because your income went up, okay? Another thing I'm going to have you do is go ahead and go back to the credit union, right, or bank that you got the personal line of credit with, and then the credit card that you have, apply for an increase, okay, around this time period. Go ahead and just apply for an increase. Get more. Why are we doing that? We're trying to increase our assets, okay? Keep building a savings account. Now let me teach you the fundamentals. Here is one rule that I live by, the 60-40 rule, which is save 40% of your cash flow in a year in an asset, okay? And then the rest of the money, you're going to invest in yourself. Do not invest in anything yet other than yourself, okay? What I mean by investing in yourself, buying books, going to workshops, going to seminars, maybe even starting a business of your own. Focus on you. Get you in order, okay? Before you try to make money in something that you don't know or you don't understand, okay? Another rule I have, never lose money, okay? When you're saving properly, when you're building credit, we're not losing money. When you're investing in yourself, you're not losing money. That's a valuable investment, okay? Always do research. People are going to come up to you, try to sell you things, sell you a business plan, a business opportunity. Always do research. What has helped me, on top of doing research, which is my other rule, is establishing your fantasy league, okay? Which is your sphere of influence. People that you get your knowledge and information from. These are people that you know, like, and trust that are at a very highly successful level, okay? Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, Gary Vaynerchuk, okay? Millionaires, billionaires that are doing super well financially, spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally, everything. Whatever it is that you want in your life that they have already, and you have a connection with them, you like the way they teach, you like their moral character, you like the business that they're in, or maybe you share the same purpose as them, then that would be a good alignment of getting your, what I call your fantasy league, right? These are people that you can't call, you can't email, you can't text them. That's a fantasy, right? You know, meeting them one day, that's like a dream, okay? Fantasy, right? You'll be able to bring that to life later down the road, okay? Last rule I have is the reason why I say do not invest in anything, right, other than yourself, is because I want you to first acquire $100,000 in cash assets, okay? Liquid cash assets before investing, okay? The objective of investing is to multiply money, okay? Not to grow the money over time. We want to multiply it immediately. So if I invest $1,000, I need 2,000 back, minimal, If I'm saving $1,000, I want to be able to grow it gradually over time at a interest rate that is solid, okay? That is going to have an advantage over inflation, cost of goods, things like that in the economy. Okay, you want to be, that's how you want to grow your money. Okay, your savings. Your investing, you want to multiply it. Why? So that you can keep bringing in more and more assets and building your kingdom authority, okay? Building your household, your family, and that nature. The only way to really multiply money is you got to have some money, okay? When you have money, now you have access to information that 95% of the world will never get access to, okay? Which is secrets of the wealthy, right? Secrets of the rich, things like that, okay? So I just wanted to give you those solid rules to have down in the process that we're going here, this 25 to 36 month, okay? So make sure that you're staying on track, stay focused, keep your head in the game, keep going along with this program right here. Do not give up. If you're behind, according to my numbers, if you don't have the savings where I say you should, you are behind. You need to catch up. You need to stop playing games. I'm doing very conservative numbers, okay? Anyone can make me that amount of money if you work hard enough, okay? Anyone can make that. So don't play games with me. Make sure that you're staying focused and that we are establishing our kingdom, okay? Tune in for the next video.